Hello my friends, welcome back. I hope that you're all well and that you're ready for yet another beautiful paracord project. The credit for today's bracelet goes to our friend Elena Polkanova, so make sure to check the description box down below where I will post the link to Elena's Instagram profile. So that being said, the full tutorial for this 4-strand bracelet core with 2 working ends you have in the top right corner information cards, also down below in the description box of this video. There you can find the tutorial for this beautiful paracord bracelet I'm wearing today as well, so make sure to check the information cards and the description box down below. So that being said, we're gonna start. I'm gonna zoom a bit so you can clearly see, and then we're gonna insert, now we're gonna insert our gold paracord into the bracelet core. So we're gonna pass it under this strand of a cow's hitches. So top strand of cow's hitches under it, and then pull it through like so. From here we're gonna return it from the top under the same strand on the opposite side and through. From here I'm gonna take the ends of a gold, both ends, and pull them together so we'll have the equal length of the gold cord from each side, left and right. Here we have the working ends and the bracelet core. Now we're gonna start. We're gonna take our gold strand and we're gonna pass it from the back through the middle and to the right side. Now with the right side gold also under the core strands and from the back through the gap in the middle. We cross it like this. Here we're gonna take our right side black, pass it from the back through the middle. Then we're going to return it from the top in the gap between first and the second core strand on the right side. And now we're going to simply return it from the back through the gap between 2 core strands and the working end. So from the back through and pull it. Now we're going to do the same with the left side black. So from the back through the middle. Then from the top into the gap between first and second core strand on the left side. And from here we're going to pass it from the back into the gap between core strands and working end. So from the back through. Now we're going to tie this, cinch it. Then we're going to take the right side gold, pass it again under the 2 core strands from the back through the middle, and then simply through the loop on the right side. And we're going to tie it. The same on the left side, so from the back under the 2 core strands, and then return it from the back through the middle and through the loop on the left side. Now we're going to take the right side black around and from the back, but before that we're going to again create the crossing with the gold strands. So take the left side gold, pass it from the back through the middle, and then cross it with the right side gold also from the back through the middle and to the left side. Now we're going to take our right side black, pass it under and from the back through the middle. Then we're going to return it from the top into the gap between first and second core strand on the right side. Afterwards, we're going to pass it from the back in the gap between core strands and working ends. So through. And we're going to repeat with the left side black. So around and from the back through the middle. Then from the top into the gap between first and second core strand on the left side. From here we're going to return it in the gap between core strands and the working end and through. Cinch it and we're going to proceed. So here we are almost finished. We're gonna proceed until the end of a weaving pattern, and then we're gonna cut off the excess of a cord, melt them down, and that's it. So cross the gold strands as we did before, then with the right side black, pass it from the back through the middle, and then return it from the top into the gap between first and second core strand on the right side. Pull it through, and now we're going to return it from the back through the middle in the gap between core strands and the working end. Like so. Now we're going to do the same with the left side black. So pass it from the back, then from the top into the gap between first and the second core strand on the left side, and now we're going to return it from the back through the gap between core strands and the working end. Let me just pass it through here, and that's it. Now we're gonna singe it. Now from here we're gonna pass again the black one through the gap between first and second core strand on the right side. So we're gonna lock it here. We're gonna do the same with the gold one, and repeat the same step on the left side. So take the black one, and from the top into the gap between first and second core strand on the left side, and do the same with the gold. So here we are, today's project is finished. I hope that you like it. If you do, don't forget to leave a like, share this video with your friends and family, and if you're not subscribed, consider subscribing and hit the bell button so you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. So that being said, until the next time, stay safe, be well, wishing you just best, and see you soon. Bye!